Spotify made some news this morning. They did a big announcement. I don't know if you paid any attention to it at all.
I read the headline.
You read the headline,
Yeah.
which is, as far as you're concerned, that's a big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got past the headline.
Sure. Yeah.
Spotify made some announcements about improvements to their service. They talked about their new hi-fi tier. They had a little launch video with Billie Eilish talking about music quality. And they were like, the power of hi-fi. Like, I need my speakers louder, and we're losing all this information. It was kind of almost like a Neil Young type of thing when he had the Pono player. People talking about lossless audio.
Yeah.
Tidal been talking about it. I think Spotify sees this move as an advantage over Apple Music, who continues to be kind of their number one contender for music streaming services. Spotify's still number one, though, believe it or not. Imagine that, Will, being number one against those players like that. Those big-time players.
Yeah.
I mean, you got Google in there. You got Apple in there.
Well, they were early. Spotify.
Early counts. But early isn't necessarily all of it. I think there's some moves they made. We talk about the moves they made with the podcasts.
Yeah.
And the
Smart
partnerships.
moves.
And so their subscriptions are actually up. Spotify's most recent paid subscriber count hit 155 million, a 24% increase year over year. That's not nothing, man. That's pretty good. You got podcasts on there. Anyway, hi-fi is a different angle. Hi-fi, they want to showcase, hey, you can listen to, this is the quote, Spotify will deliver CD quality lossless audio format to your device and Spotify Connect enabled speakers, which means fans will be able to experience more depth and clarity while enjoying their favorite tracks. Now, many dispute the importance of such file types, of such improvements to sound quality. Like, you're going to have the right equipment in place to really take advantage of it. If you're listening on your phone speaker,
Right.
I don't think it's really any advantage to it.
And how big are these files?
Oh, you're talking about streaming. You're talking about data, paying for data.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might want to do it when you're on the Wi-Fi. That's a nice warning, Willie, do, if you don't have the unlimited.
I'm just saying.
If
Tidal had problems with that.
Willie, do, you're just knocking out a park right now. That's a home run. That's over the fence. That's 400 feet.
Well, yeah.
Right? That's
tried.
a moonshot, as they call it. It's a moonshot.
Well, to the moon, right?
There you go. On the other hand, iTunes, everything is still AAC quality. It's not lossless and doesn't fully compete with 16 and 24-bit FLAC formats offered by other services. Spotify also announced that it's aiming to reach over 1 billion new users in the coming days by expanding to 80 new markets: Asia, Africa, Europe, the Caribbean, and more. Spotify's here to do battle.
They're here to stay. Good for them.
All right, shout out Spotify. Good luck to ya.